Hi, I want to show you how to add watermark on photos on your Google Pixel 9a. Start by finding Google Photos in the list. For that, you can also use the search bar and manually enter Google Photos. Now select photo to which you want to add watermark. Then on the bottom of the screen, click Edit. And from here, you need to swipe left like that till you reach markup feature. Now tap on text and enter text you want to see in your watermark. Then you can adjust its color like that and tap down to save changes. Now, if you want to, you can also drag it to any place on the photo, just like that. You can use pinch gesture to resize it, as well as rotate, like that. And when you're done, just tap down on the bottom and tap Save Copy. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.